and pull these off.
Oh. Delete.
Mm-hmm. So you start with your square.
Okay.
Square.
Okay.
Wait, start with my.
You can leave it like that though, because you're gonna fold it like that anyway. And then you fold over.
Fold over.
And then you fold again. So you have 4 squares basically.
Hold on.
Okay, 4 squares.
Hold on.
That's your 4.
Hold on.
Because you folded it twice.
Okay.
Make sure it's flat.
Oh. Okay.
Okay. And then you make a diamond. Put it in diamond form.
Diamond. With the no, your stuff gotta be at the top.
Yes.
Your pattern.
And then you take 2 of your squares and you fold them over into the corner crease, making a half triangle.
Hold on.
2 of them. Because that's what's gonna make it, and then you flatten it. Flip over.
Flip over. And then what? Oh, my. Okay.
Did you flip it? Now turn that on the other side. You flip it into yes. And then that's when you fold
What side?
each side in half.
Wait. Do it again.
Right there.
So
Okay.
once you've done it this way,
Okay.
and you made your triangle, flip it.
Okay. I did that.
And in square mode, you fold it over halfway,
Halfway.
and then fold again, and you flatten it, and then you got your cup.
Okay.
Uh-oh. I missed the last.
Because you was on that phone.
No.
Half. Okay, so you flip it, right? Back in square mode.
Oh, the same. Oh, I had did the halfway.
You see how you got your tuck?
Yes.
Okay. That's it.
Don't ask me if I'm remember this now.
Oh, we know you won. Good job, everybody. Good job. Thanks, Drex. Of course.